Arrábida beach in Portugal is a rare gem in the world of beach tourism. Located in the vast expanse of Serra de Arrábida, this beach blends the wild beauty of nature with the modern conveniences of an ideal vacation. The Arrábida beach is located southwest of Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, just about 50 kilometers from the city. This location creates favorable conditions for visitors to move from the city to the beach easily and quickly. With a mild, warm climate all year round, this beach attracts tourists from all over the world. Cool summers and pleasant sea breezes make relaxing and enjoying the beach more enjoyable than ever. Winter here is not too cold, creating favorable conditions for tourists who want to participate in outdoor activities. clear blue water below the beach, visitors can explore the richness of marine life with a variety of fish and other marine life. The diving areas into Arrábida offer visitors the opportunity to see beautiful corals and other marine life in their natural environment. Every summer, the Arrábida beach shines with the brilliant beauty of hot girls creating a lively and seductive picture. Under the warm sunlight, they create a vibrant and dynamic feeling, attracting the eyes of everyone around them. The influence of tourism on Portugal, especially the area around the Arrábida beach, is undeniable. The development of the tourism industry here has brought many economic and development opportunities to the country, but at the same time, it also poses many challenges and problems that need to be resolved. Join us on our journey to discover magical and beautiful things around the world through our Wandering channel. Sign up today so you don't miss out on any of the adventures, from vast trails and picturesque beaches to quaint villages and unique tourist attractions.